Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hadi Sarbani from PB Class B. Now I want to read daily text meeting 9. Introduction. Education is essential for the development of society. The more educated the people of a society, the more civilized and disciplined the society might be. Education is also a primary need in this era of globalization. Education gives insight, groom the personality, inculcates moral value, adds knowledge and provides skill for people who will live in very competitive society. In very well, highly quality people are needed. However, there are several studies focusing on the problem of education in Indonesia, including Mukminin et al., who argue that there are some problems of education in Indonesia, including curriculum, budget, quality, purpose of the educations, national examination, and learning facility. These kinds of problems have influenced the quality of education both in national and in international levels. For example, although since 1995, Indonesia has taken part consistently in every round of trends in international mathematics and science study, or TEMSS. The results have not been satisfactory. Of the 38 countries participating in 1999, Indonesia ranked the 34 and the 32 in math and science respectively. In 203 performs in math increased to 411, while the science scores slipped to 420. The reverse occurred in 2007, with math performance decreased to 397 and science improved to 427. Score in both math and science fell in 2011 to 386 and 406, respectively. In 2015, math performance increased to 3,097, while science performance decreased to 3,097. The result of Indonesian participations in TEMSS have implied that the quality of education should become the responsibility of all parties, including the government, school, and family. Family is one of the important factors in supporting the education of their children. As a unit of society, the family is of officially a major socializing agent, so that it is important in determining the child motivation to achieve success. Mainly, family has responsibility for socializing children, for making them productive members of society. The more the parents are involved in the process of imparting education to their children, the more the children might excel in their academic career and to become productive and responsible member of society. Additionally, parent personal education background and economic background have a significant effect uh, on their children's education. It means that parent educational background play an important part in their children's education. The education achieved by the children depends very much on the educations that their parents have. In relation to education, English is one of the compulsory subjects in Indonesia educational system. The internal and external factor, for example, tend to influence the learner's English achievement. Furthermore, data more education first English proficiency index also show that the average score of Indonesians English proficiency was 52, 52.74 and labeled as a moderate proficiency level. This score has placed Indonesia in the 28th rank out of 63 countries in terms of index that compress the average English language ability in different countries. The data indicate that English proficiency in Indonesia is still lower than the other countries. However, learning English is not an easy process. There are some problems or difficulties in learning English. In their study, Abrar et al. Found that the problem in learning English such as teacher competence, student lack of English foundation background, student lack of confidence in appropriate curriculum, unmotivated, encouraged, and guided learning strategies, not practice speaking English with English native speaker and class environment. Some researchers have previously explored parent educational background and student English achievement. For example, Apriana Apriana 2015 found that parents' educational background was significantly correlated to student English achievement, though the correlation was weak. Also, Carnegie 2020 and 10 found that there was a strong correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement. Scannable, Alfred et al. Found that significant positive correlation exists between parent education and study achievement. It can be concluded that the results of the study are still inconsistent. Additionally, found that there was no significant relationship between parents' occupations and educational background and student achievement in learning English. The findings of the previous study on the link between parents' educational background and student English achievement are still mixed. The current study investigates the correlations between parents' educational background and student English achievement at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. To research question why did the study. One, is there any link between parent educational background and student English achievement for the 12th grade student at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia? And two, does parent educational background influence student English achievement of the 12th grad student at one senior high school in Palembang? Literature review. Parent educational backgrounds refers to parents' highest educations. That means the highest level of educational attained by parents in International Standard Classification of Educations, or ISCAD, from UNESCO. UNESCO 2011 has grouped nine level of education. They are early childhood education, primary education, lower secondary education, upper secondary education, post-secondary, non-tertiary education, psycho-tertiary education, bachelor of equivalent level, master or equivalent level, doctoral or equivalent level. Parents with higher level of educations are also more likely to believe strongly in their abilities to help their children learn. Highly educated parents have greater success in providing their children with the cognitive and language skills that contribute to early success in school. also adds the relationship of parent education to their children achievement motivation in academic area is mediated by parent beliefs and behavior are likely to be influenced by their educational experiences and how these parental beliefs and behavior actually influence children achievement motivation in academic area. Educational family characteristics such as parental income, education, and family size seem to be connected to student achievement. In terms of student achievement, Algarbel and Desi, 2001, state that achievement is the competence of a person in relations to a dominant of knowledge. Educational Sukmadinata, 2007, state that achievement of students could be seen from mastering the subject that they have taken up. Achievement refers to the good result from learning in additions. English achievement has a strong relations with the academic achievement. English achievement means the competency that is achieved by the student in English subject. Being well educated parents give benefit for their children. State that parents could serve as good role models by being constituents, ambitions, and methodical, all of which will contribute to make their children more successful at school. Moreover, educated parents can provide their children with guidance to get good information at home. Guntla et al. Found that educated parents have more attention to the facility used by their children related to their study, especially in learning English. Students more good socio-economical in high parental educational background have good chance for getting admissions in good professional courses. Parental education level also determines the cultural level of the home. Udo et al. 2012 claim that educated parents often get a better job. Thus, with their income, they are better prepared to give educational material for their children. In other words, this suggests that students manage to support their learning with good educational material because they have parents who can provide them with educational supporting materials that they need, including in learning English. Finding and discussions, parent educational background, and student English achievement. 108 student participants in the study. The descriptive statistical analysis of parent educational background for the participant indicate that the maximum score was 8 and the lower score was 1. The mean score of parent educational background of the participant was 5.05 and the standard def- deviations was 1580 1880. This main score indicate that the level of parent educational background of the participant is short cycle. Tertiary educations D2 or D3, it was relevant that from the questionnaire, the 9 level of parents' educational background were all perceived that by the student with difference number. Primary educations or SD was as the less Purphy's level and Bachelar or equivalence level was at the most perceived for both father and mother educational background categories. The descriptive statistical analysis of English achievement for the participant indicate that the maximum score was 79 and the maximum score was 10. The mean score of English achievement for the participant was uh, 47.02 and the standard deviations was 70,739. This mean score indicate that the level of student English achievement of participant is very poor. For each category, 30 student has a good English achievement. 90 student obtained an average English achievement. 5,000 had a poor English achievement. 71 students had a very poor English achievement. Conclusions. The current study investigate that the correlations between parent educational background and student English achievement at one's senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. Based on the result of the present study, we found that parents' educational background were significantly correlated with student English achievement with range 420. The categories of correlation with fair educationally, the linear regressions analysis show that parent educational background 70.6% significantly influenced the, the dependent variable student English achievement. In short, the total contributions of parent educational background and student English achievement show a significant link, although the contribution was well. Suggestion that there were other factors and could contribute to their student English achievement, such as school teacher, friends, and environment. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.